Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to align your Chevy Silverado. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a sturdy jack, and jack stands for safety, along with a reliable tape measure. A complete wrench and socket set, plus a torque wrench, are crucial for making precise adjustments. For accurate measurements, consider an alignment gauge or a string alignment kit. Always remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself during the process. Before making any adjustments, it's vital to inspect your Silverado's suspension. Look closely at the ball joints, tie rod ends, and control arm bushings for any signs of wear or play. These components must be in good condition for an accurate alignment. Next, measure the ride height at each wheel and ensure your tire pressures are set correctly, usually around 35 pounds per square inch. This foundational check ensures a stable starting point. Now, let's tackle camber and caster. Camber refers to the inward or outward tilt of your wheels when viewed from the front. You'll typically adjust this using eccentric bolts on the lower control arm. Aim for a slight negative camber for better handling. Caster, the forward or backward tilt of the steering axis, influences steering stability. Adjust it by rotating the same eccentric bolts, ensuring both sides are as close as possible for straight tracking. Finally, we adjust the toe, which is the most critical setting for tire wear. Toe refers to how much the front of your tires point inward or outward. Loosen the tie rod jam nuts and rotate the tie rods to achieve the desired setting, often a slight toe-in of 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch. After adjustments, take your Silverado for a short test drive. Then, recheck all your measurements to confirm everything is within specification for optimal performance and tire longevity.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.